What is going on, guys? If you have not already, hit that subscribe button. And if you have watched my last video, then you'll know that while I was putting on my 15-inch drag wheels, I kind of messed up and actually destroyed the brake line. So luckily the brake line has been replaced. I'm going to show y'all everything that I've done recently in just a second, but everything's in place. The wheels are on the car. So yeah, I'm just going to show you that now. All right, now it might be a little bit difficult to see, but in the meantime, I added BMR upper control arms and replaced the old bushings on the rear end with spherical ends. And then we also have new red Stifflers brake lines, which actually clear the wheels, unlike the stock ones. I barely had to grind down on the banjo bolt. So if you're going to be putting 15-inch wheels on your Mach 1, I highly recommend getting these. I'm going to link them in the description because they worked out really nice. And just to show y'all even better how little clearance you have, these are with low profile lines and the banjo bolt ground down just a little bit. And it's literally just like maybe a credit card bit of clearance. So yeah, that's what to expect. Also, since I really haven't even shown these wheels off that much, here they are. I got the Race Star 92s 15 by 10s. And they are wrapped with Hoosier QTPs. I believe they're 28 by 11.5 15s. And once this car's lowered a little bit, dude, it's gonna look really good. I mean, the fitment's not too bad. All right, so pretty much my plan for today is just to kind of drive this thing around on the new wheels. I haven't driven this thing in a while because it's been down, so we're gonna do that. But first, I'm gonna give this thing a bath because it is absolutely filthy and pollen season is kicking its butt. All right, guys, gonna let her warm up a little bit and then we will be off. Unfortunately, it took a little bit longer than I thought to wash it and then get ready, so it's almost sunset, but I just think we're gonna go take some pictures of the car since it's finally clean, got the new wheels on, and I need more pictures for my Instagram, so we're gonna go do that. Now I gotta remember that I'm on slicks in the back because I'm wanting to take these turns kind of aggressively, and I just have way too much sidewall to actually take these turns at the speed that I want. Plus my speedometer's off because of the bigger tires in the back, and my ABS light is on for some reason. I'm gonna guess that either I messed up a speed sensor going back in, or I somehow, you know, did something. I don't even know. Well, I'll have to figure that out later, but it doesn't really matter. I don't even have traction control on this tune, so I'm not worried about it. Small pull over the bridge. Let's just be really annoying and stay in first gear. Sound like a street sweeper the whole time. All right, so after waiting just a couple of minutes, the sun's finally starting to get down to where I want it. And I'm just gonna pull over here in front of the water. That sunset looks absolutely gorgeous, and look how clean the car looks. Holy crap. Definitely needs to be lowered a little bit more, but we'll handle that later. All right, guys, so that's pretty much all that I had planned for this video. I might drive through town a little bit just because we have I don't really have anything else better to do, honestly. So we can just drive through town and see if we can get any reactions, capture anything, possibly get pulled over by the cops because, you know, I technically have illegal tires on. Does this Camaro want the gap? Hey, Mustang! Hell yeah. Oh shit. Hello. Sorry. Oh shit. Ow. That did not feel good, guys. I forgot she was in gear. Oh, there's a police officer right here. Do I dare go get gas beside a police officer? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it like right beside him too. Literally right beside him. Dude, this is a bad idea, honestly. Oh, right. You wanna see how I get gas? Because my car does not like to take gas. I have to fill it with this.
And for users who find grammatical errors in their
Honestly, I'm only going to be able to fit like 2 gallons, so that's probably all we'll do. That seems good. And then just casually do this. He doesn't give a fuck. He's probably like, what is this fucking idiot doing right now? I swear to God, if he pulls me over, I'm gonna be so upset. You'll stay right there. Please. Please don't pull me over. Alright, fine guys, since I know you want a little pull, we'll do a little 3rd gear pull. Here we go. Alright, so I think I'm going to cut the video off here, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like and subscribe. It really helps me out. And be sure to stick around for the upcoming videos. We're going to be taking this thing to the drag strip and seeing what it can do on a fully prepped surface, going full wide open throttle with the slicks. So it should be pretty cool.